This is part 2 of fixing my iPad. If you guys remember, the string would not stick, so I had to get some double-sided tape. And the top layer of the top line of the apps wasn't working, so I had to go back and take the iPad back apart. But if you like this video, comment, subscribe, and just enjoy.
You been doing all this lovely duck stuff. You know, I'm almost drunk. Go on, get out. Don't start cooking that shit. Don't hurt nobody on that bike.
I fixed it.
Merry Christmas, Lee.
I did it. I did it. I fixed my iPad. I fixed my iPad. So, wait. I fixed it. I fixed it. I fixed it. I fixed it. Bam, 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 bam. So all I gotta do is put it back together. I fixed my iPad, y'all. I fixed my iPad. As I told y'all, the top part. I'm gonna just look. See, I get so excited. I get so excited. So as I told y'all, the top part was not working. Oh, got it. I got it. I just want to make sure that everything is working. Okay. Okay, Sissy, you did it, boo. You did it, boo. I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay. 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 Yes, boo. You did it, boo. You did it. And I ended up getting double-sided tape because I told y'all that it wouldn't stay on. So Alright, let's put it back together.
Oh, girl, you look like your mama more and more every day. Get over here, husband, girl. And if you wasn't my cousin. Oh, yeah. Maybe, but when you gonna put me in a commercial?
Oh, God.
Kelly, hey, come on, let's get inside. I know your mama can't really see. Hey, Fred, let's go. Okay, what you got inside, girl? At least you know you can look at me last year. I don't like that. Mama, you know you wanted that frame. That's why you got it. Yes, you did. You could have bought something. Sometimes
See, it was hard for me to put this corner right here for some reason. It's really hard for me to put the daggone stew in.
I know you guys better stop calling him baby because he's almost old. He's my youngest, no matter how tall or old he gets. He'll always be my baby. Oh, ain't that right?
Maybe I should cut this. I'm back. And as I told you guys, I fixed the iPad. But putting the strews back in, Jesus. And I'm right-handed. Yo. Somebody want to come put this in for me? It's so hard for me to put the strews back in. I don't even remember how I put it in last time. My sister's not going to believe me. They're not going to believe me. A lot of people probably don't believe me, but if y'all watch the other video fixing my iPad, you guys will see me taking the old string off and actually putting this one on. I'm going to put all the screws in their perspective holes. Yeah, that's not the right one. Duh. Alright, that's not the right one. Ugh. Screws. Stay in your hole. Okay, and it's locked back in place, okay? I'm going to take this and just wipe it off. It may end up having fingerprints on it, but guess what? I don't care. It works. And it's like two little holes, right? Up here. In which the camera thing open. And it may not sit, well, it's sitting properly, but Y'all, I'm gonna have to change this passcode. Oh, so y'all won't see it. Hold on, wait. This is my first finished product of fixing the iPad, and I was super excited, but this tape was getting the best of me, y'all. I never dealt with it ever in my life until today. And at first, I was just putting it down and not really caring what I was doing. Then all of a sudden, I'm like, oh, it's supposed to be double sided tape. So you had to take something off. Hey, what's up, guys? So now that this iPad is technically finished, I'm just putting it back together with some tape, in which I kind of figured it out what to do now. But I want to actually continue with this fixing things. So, should I do trying to fix my old iPhone or my tablet? Comment below. Whichever one beat, that's going to be my next thing to fix. I know that I can fix my nephew's laptop. iPad. Oh, excuse me. Whew, my little back is killing me. Zip out. Hopefully it stick, guys. Hopefully it will stick. Get off. Shorty fixed her iPad. Bam! And it's fixed. Hold on, come on. Go on there, but I don't even remember what this was. I forgot. Okay, what's going on? Well, look, it is. What's the word? Fixed. I guess I gotta log into my email account. Oh, I'm done with this.